Hello, in this video we are going to show a tutorial for installing and using Windows Mint OS with VirtualBox VM. Table of content consists of background, product knowledge, and tutorial. We're going to start with the background. What is virtual machine VM? A virtual machine is a software-based emulation of a computer that allows users to run an operating system within another OS without the need to replace or reinstall the host system. Why use virtual machine or VM? Isolation. Each VM runs independently, so if one crashes or gets infected, it won't affect the host or other VMs. Environment replication can replicate specific OS and software setups for testing, development, or deployment.
Cost efficiency. Multiple VMS can run on a single physical machine, maximizing hardware usage. Platform flexibility. Run different operating systems such as Windows, Linux, etc. on the same physical computer. Security. VMS can be used to test potentially risky software in a controlled, disposable environment.
Next, we're going to move to product knowledge. What is VMware Virtual Machine? VMware is a commercial virtualization software developed by VMware Inc. It allows you to run multiple operating systems as virtual machines or VMs on a single physical machine. Why use VMware Virtual Machine? High performance. VMware offers fast and stable performance, especially for enterprise-level tasks. Snapshot and cloning. Easily take snapshots and refer to previous states, useful for testing and development. Broad OS support supports a wide range of guest operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and macOS. Integration tools, VMware tools provide seamless integration, for example, shared clipboards, drag and drop, screen resizing.
What is Linux Mint? Linux Mint is a Linux distribution known for its ease of use, stability, and Windows-like interface, making it especially popular for beginners switching from Windows. Why use Linux Mint? The first one is user-friendly. Linux Mint offers a familiar interface, especially for users transitioning from Windows. The second one is lightweight and fast. It requires low system resources, making it ideal for older hardware or VMS. Stable and reliable. Built on Ubuntu LTS, ensuring long-term support and regular security updates. Software availability. Comes preloaded with essential applications and easy access to thousands more via its software manager. Why use Linux Mint or VMware VM? Because it's safe experimentation, try Mint without installing it on actual machine. Convenient testing, develop or test apps in Mint without dual booting. Portability, easily move Mint VM between systems. Recovery friendly, if something breaks, able to roll back using VMware Snapshot.
Now let's start with the tutorial. First, you open browser of your choice and search up VMware Workstation Download. Then you can click on the very first link that showed up and click the Download Vision or Workstation button. You had to sign in first, but in this case, I've already signed in. Click on the free software downloads and search up VMware. Show results. Scroll to the very bottom to find VMware Workstation Pro. You can choose whether you download for Windows or for Linux. And click on the newest version. You can click on the HTTPS download and download wherever you'd like. While that's downloading, we can go ahead and download Linux by searching up Linux Mint download and click on the very first link that showed up. Scroll down to see the different versions you like I'm gonna go with Cinnamon Edition and press download. You can scroll to the very bottom and search for the country you have. I'm on Indonesia, and download wherever you like. And we just need to wait for the download. After it's finished downloading, we can go ahead and go to our files and open up where we downloaded them and open up VM Workstation. We can click next. Now we just wait for it to load. Click finish. And you can go to your desktop and open up VMware Workstation. Press create a new virtual machine. Just click the typical, the recommended one, and browse to the place where you installed Linux Mint. And just click next. Choose Linux, and for the version it depends on your laptop. I have 64-bit, so Ubuntu 64-bit. You can customize hardware and click on the processor and just set it to 1. Then you can click finish. Next, we can power on the virtual machine. We can press Start Linux Mint. Now we just wait for it to load. Now, click Install Linux Mint. Choose whatever language you want and click Continue. Now we can click on Install Now and continue. Next, you have to set which city you're in and click Continue. You can pick out your own username and a password. Now you can press Ctrl plus Alt to get out of the station. Now you can go to VM, Removable Device, CD DVD SATA, and press Settings. Now uncheck Connect at Power On. After loading, just type in your password. It might take a while to load, but just be patient until a green button with Let's Go shows up. That's it. Now you've installed Linux Mint, you can start installing all the drivers and customizing your Linux Mint. Thank you for watching.